Let's suppose you have bought the right external USB Wi-Fi adapter. Now you want to connect and use it on Kali Linux that runs in VirtualBox. To use USB devices in VirtualBox, you need to install VirtualBox extension pack on your host operating system. This is VirtualBox extension pack. I'm downloading it and running it. Remember that it should be installed on the host, not guest OS. After installing the extension pack, you select the VM, in this case Kali, go to Settings, then USB, and click on Add USB Filter. In the list, you select the USB Wi-Fi adapter, and OK. Now the guest OS, in this case Kali, can access and use the external USB Wi-Fi adapter. I'm starting Kali. And I'm logging in. See how it passively discovered all Wi-Fi networks in the range. If the chipset supports the monitor mode and packet injection, you can start hacking Wi-Fi networks. Of course, from an ethical point, like audit the security of your own Wi-Fi network. One last remark. If the host operating system runs Linux, so if you have installed VirtualBox on Linux, then you have to add the user that starts VirtualBox to VBox users group. The commands that put the card into monitor mode will be presented in the following lecture in this section.